Imagine waking up every morning feeling energized, clear-headed, and motivated. Picture yourself shedding those extra pounds effortlessly while enjoying delicious, satisfying meals. For many, this is the reality of following a low-carb diet. With countless success stories and mounting scientific evidence, low-carb eating has become a highly regarded approach to achieving and maintaining optimal health. Today, we'll explore 20 low-carb foods that can transform your diet and help you reach your health goals. Low-carb diets have gained significant popularity in recent years, thanks to their effectiveness in promoting weight loss and improving overall health. By reducing carbohydrate intake and focusing on nutrient-dense foods, individuals can experience numerous benefits, including better blood sugar control, enhanced energy levels, and improved heart health. Whether you're a seasoned low-carb dieter or just starting your health journey, this video will provide you with the knowledge and inspiration to incorporate more low-carb foods into your daily routine. High-carb diets are pervasive in modern society, often leading to undesirable health outcomes. Foods rich in refined carbohydrates and sugars, such as bread, pasta, pastries, and sugary drinks, are staples in many diets. Unfortunately, these high-carb foods can contribute to weight gain, blood sugar spikes, and increased risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. When you consume high amounts of carbohydrates, your body quickly breaks them down into glucose, causing a rapid rise in blood sugar levels. This spike triggers the release of insulin, a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar. Over time, consistently high blood sugar and insulin levels can lead to insulin resistance, weight gain, and various metabolic disorders. By adopting a low-carb diet, you can mitigate these risks and promote better health. Low-carb diets emphasize consuming foods that are low in carbohydrates but rich in essential nutrients, healthy fats, and protein. This approach helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce hunger and cravings, and support overall well-being. Now that we understand the benefits of low-carb eating, let's explore 20 delicious and nutritious low-carb foods that are easy to incorporate into your diet. 1. Avocado. Avocados are a fantastic addition to any low-carb diet. They are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and essential nutrients such as potassium and folate. Avocados can help promote heart health, support weight loss, and improve digestion. Enjoy them sliced in salads, blended into smoothies, or mashed into guacamole. 2. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and nutrient-dense food that fits perfectly into a low-carb diet. They are an excellent source of high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12 and choline. Eggs can be enjoyed in various ways, such as scrambled, boiled, poached, or baked into frittatas. 3. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in carbohydrates but packed with essential nutrients. They provide vitamins A, C, and K as well as fiber and antioxidants. Leafy greens can be added to salads, sautéed as a side dish, or blended into green smoothies for a nutritious boost. 4. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and various vitamins and minerals. Omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their role in supporting heart and brain health. Enjoy salmon grilled, baked, or pan-seared for a delicious and healthy meal. 5. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile low-carb vegetable that can be used as a substitute for higher-carb foods like rice and potatoes. It is rich in fiber, vitamins K, and antioxidants. Use cauliflower to make cauliflower rice, cauliflower mash, or roasted cauliflower florets. 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They can help keep you satiated and provide essential nutrients like magnesium and vitamin E. Enjoy them as a snack, sprinkled on yogurt, or blended into smoothies. 7. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are lower in carbohydrates compared to other fruits and are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They can satisfy your sweet tooth while providing numerous health benefits. Enjoy berries on their own, in smoothies, or as a topping for Greek yogurt. 8. Cheese. Cheese is a delicious and satisfying low-carb food that provides protein, calcium, and healthy fats. Varieties like cheddar, mozzarella, and goat cheese can be enjoyed as snacks, melted over vegetables, or incorporated into various dishes. 9. Zucchini. Zucchini is a low-carb vegetable that can be used in a variety of dishes. It is rich in vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber. Zucchini can be spiralized into noodles, zoodles, grilled, sautéed, or used as a base for casseroles and soups. 10. Chicken. Chicken is a lean source of protein that is low in carbohydrates and can be prepared in numerous ways. It provides essential nutrients like niacin, vitamin B6, and phosphorus. Enjoy chicken grilled, roasted, baked, or added to salads and stir-fries. 11. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a creamy and protein-rich dairy product that is lower in carbohydrates compared to regular yogurt. It also provides probiotics, which support gut health. Enjoy Greek yogurt on its own, with berries, or as a base for smoothies and sauces. 12. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutrient-dense vegetable that is low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, vitamin C and K, and antioxidants. It can be steamed, roasted, or added to stir-fries and casseroles for a healthy and satisfying meal. 13. Beef. Beef is a rich source of protein, iron, and various vitamins and minerals. Opt for lean cuts like sirloin or tenderloin to keep your meals low in saturated fat. Enjoy beef grilled, roasted, or added to stews and salads. 14. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are low in carbohydrates and provide essential nutrients like B vitamins, selenium, and antioxidants. They can be used in a variety of dishes such as stir-fries, omelets, soups, and salads. 15. Almond flour. Almond flour is a low-carb alternative to traditional wheat flour. It is made from finely ground almonds and is rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Use almond flour to make low-carb baked goods like muffins, pancakes, and bread. 16. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a healthy fat that is low in carbohydrates and provides medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which can support weight loss and boost energy levels. Use coconut oil for cooking, baking, or adding to smoothies and coffee. 17. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are vibrant, low-carb vegetables that are rich in vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants. They can be enjoyed raw, roasted, sautéed, or added to salads, stir-fries, and soups. 18. Sardines. Sardines are small, oily fish that are low in carbohydrates and high in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential nutrients like vitamin D and calcium. Enjoy sardines grilled, canned, or added to salads and pasta dishes. 19. Olives. Olives are a low-carb snack that is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and antioxidants. They can be enjoyed on their own, added to salads, or used as a topping for pizzas and pasta dishes. 20. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, 70% or higher, is lower in carbohydrates compared to milk chocolate and provides antioxidants and healthy fats. Enjoy dark chocolate in moderation as a satisfying and guilt-free treat. With such a diverse range of low-carb foods available, it's clear that a low-carb diet can be both satisfying and sustainable. By incorporating these 20 nutrient-dense foods into your meals, you can enjoy delicious flavors while reaping the numerous health benefits of a low-carb lifestyle. From creamy avocados and protein-packed eggs to nutrient-rich leafy greens and omega-3-rich salmon, there's no shortage of options to keep your meals exciting and nutritious. In summary, a low-carb diet offers a multitude of benefits, including effective weight loss, improved blood sugar control, better heart health, increased energy levels, enhanced mental clarity, and a lowered risk of metabolic syndrome. By reducing your carbohydrate intake and focusing on nutrient-dense, low-carb foods, you can achieve and maintain optimal health. Ready to start your low-carb journey? Begin by incorporating more of these 20 low-carb foods into your diet and experience the positive impact in your health and well-being. Remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Take the first step towards a healthier you today. For personalized guidance and support, consider working with a nutritionist or dietitian who can help you create a low-carb meal plan tailored to your specific needs and goals. Your journey to better health starts now. Embrace the low-carb lifestyle and enjoy the benefits it brings.